Babe, can you put Pandora on?
Well, you know, I could, but then I have to put my phone up there and connect it directly to the amp.
Can't you ask Alexa to turn it on?
I would, but she can't play through our good speakers.
Well, can you plug your phone in then?
I guess so. Only there was a better way. Actually, I might know a guy. Let me help you out here. Big reveal. What's going on back here?
So what you need, man?
Whoa. Didn't think I needed an amp, but looking at that one makes me think maybe I'm wrong.
You got your Conrad Johnson Premier 12 tube amp right here. Run you about 10K.
Okay.
I got your Parasound 2205A surround sound amp, about 5,500. I got Optical. I got Yamaha surround sound. I got Kicker subwoofers. I got Sonos. I got Amazon. I got CD players. So what you need, man?
Really, I just need a way to stream my music. I like all the gear you got, but just help me get some music pushed through to my my own amp and speakers.
Oh, so you already got your own amp. You got your own speakers.
Yeah.
All right, you don't need this stuff. I got what you need over here, though.
Okay. What's going on back here?
These are all your streaming devices here. These are your options. If you got your own amp,
Yeah.
so at 350, we got the Sonos Connect.
Yeah.
It's got analog and digital out. We got the Amazon Echo Link.
Oh, I never heard of this thing. What's
200
this?
bucks. This is brand new. This is hot.
Oh.
These are hot.
Oh.
Only got them here. Just came out, but I got
like
them. 200 bucks.
it. Okay.
It's got a digital out, analog out to your amp. It's got a digital in. It's got a subwoofer out. This is hot right here. 200 bucks.
Looks nice.
I got your Amazon input right here. About
Yeah.
60 bucks. No digital out, analog only.
Okay.
Got your Google Chromecast audio.
That's right.
This has a digital out and analog out. Basic device, 35 bucks.
Okay.
And we got your Amazon DAT. This is gonna be the cheapest option, 20 bucks.
Okay.
But it's got just a cheap analog out. If you got good speakers, you got a good amp, you don't want something better than that.
The Echo Link, maybe.
Echo
See,
Link?
Thing is, I'm trying to get my TV in the mix here.
Oh, so you got a TV, you want to use your TV with your amp and your speakers and stream
Sure.
music?
Sure.
This is gonna be the only option right here. Echo Amazon Link.
You help me put it in?
Sure, why not?
All right.
All right, man.
Let's go the ride, babe.
Here you go. Okay, Jay. Got it all set up for you. We got the Echo Link.
Yeah.
We got your power amp.
Yeah.
We've got your speakers. And we got a dot to handle the voice control.
Right. Amazing.
Why don't we show you in action?
Love to see it.
Alexa, play Bob Marley in bedroom.
Shuffling songs by Bob Marley, playing on Bedroom, on Amazon Music.
Got a volume control right here from the front. Or you can use your voice, or you can use the phone app.
Right. See
Now, one of the trick features is the television integration. So if we stop the music, Alexa, stop music in bedroom. Play something on the TV.
So why are you starting?
Turn it up a little bit. TV's going through the Echo Link to your amp, to your speakers.
Property.
Amazing.
Why do you care what he builds?
Want to switch back to music?
Sure.
Alexa, play Bob Dylan in bedroom.
Like working on those bobs.
Shuffling your songs by Bob Dylan, playing on Bedroom, on Amazon Music.
about I show you around the back, and I'll show you how it's all hooked
Yeah,
up.
let me make sure I understand how this is connected.
Let's take a closer look.
Indeed.
Taking a look around back, we can see the digital optical input. This is our feed from the television. Our digital optical output. This is going to our external DAC. If you don't have an external DAC, you can also use the line out to connect directly to your power amplifier. There's also a subwoofer out, a coaxial digital in and out in case you don't have an optical connection. There's an Ethernet connection, and you can also run it on Wi-Fi. The line in is for connecting any standard analog source such as a CD player or a turntable. Now there is a priority to the three different inputs. So we have the line in, the optical in, and the Alexa built-in streaming. The Alexa control and streaming music has priority. The optical input has second priority, and the line in has third priority. So if you were going to use all three, you would have to stop the Alexa music, turn off your television, and then the analog line in would be activated. If we compare it to the Sonos Connect, we can see that the Sonos Connect also has an optical and coaxial out, analog out, and an analog in. It does not have digital inputs, making it difficult to integrate with your television. One thing the Sonos does do is it can send the analog in here to other speakers throughout your house, whereas the Amazon Echo Link does not currently support sending the line in or optical in to other speakers in your house.
Thanks, man. That was incredibly informative. But I did have one question for you. How is it that the amp turned on by itself?
Good question, Jay.
Thank you.
We've actually got this cool little device here. It's called a Bobwire Digital Audio Trigger, DAT1. And that actually tells the amplifier to power on when you start your music using Alexa.
A trigger, huh? Well, who would have figured? Thanks, dude.
You bet.